This video demonstrates the removal and reinstallation of a wall-mounted LPV series air curtain. This example shows an LPV2 unheated model with a top-mounted controller box. Before you begin, turn the power off and follow local safety procedures including lockout-tagout protocols. Locate the internal junction box cover plate on the top of the air curtain, typically secured by 4 to 6 screws. Remove these screws and keep them safe for reassembly. With the cover plate removed, you can now access the internal wiring. Disconnect all external wiring, including the main power leads, the door switch leads, and any optional external controllers by removing the wire nuts. Immediately cap the ends of the main power supply leads with wire nuts for safety. It is not necessary to disconnect any internal factory wiring to remove the unit. The air curtain cabinet is secured to the wall mounting bracket by 2 sheet metal screws located on the bottom rear edge, one on each side. Use a 5/16" socket with an extension to carefully locate and remove these 2 screws. Once the screws are removed, lift the entire air curtain cabinet up approximately 1 inch. This lifting action disengages the unit from the slots on the wall mounting bracket. The air curtain is now free and can be safely placed on a stable surface or workbench for further servicing, troubleshooting, or maintenance. To begin the reinstallation process, lift the air curtain approximately 1 to 2 inches above the wall mounting bracket. Carefully align the top flanges of the unit with the receiving slots provided on the wall mounting bracket. Once aligned, lower the unit slowly until the top flanges seat securely into the slots. Reinstall the 2 sheet metal screws into the bottom rear edge of the cabinet to lock the air curtain securely onto the wall bracket. After securing the unit, remove the safety caps from the power leads and reconnect all external and controller wiring using wire nuts matching the original connections. Use electrical tape and zip ties as needed. Neatly organize and push the connections back into the internal junction box. Finally, reinstall and secure the junction box cover plate with the screws set aside earlier.